Welcome back to No Recipes, where we elevate everyday meals using tried and true techniques. I'm Mark Matsumoto, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Gambas al Ajillo, or garlic shrimp. With that dippable garlic and olive oil sauce with sweet, juicy shrimp, it's no wonder it's one of the most popular tapas dishes in the world. Okay, let's get started.
First, we need to peel and devein the shrimp. The easiest way to peel shrimp is to wedge your fingers between the legs and the shell and spiral the shell away from the shrimp. I like to peel all the way up to the tail so you don't leave that last little bit behind. Next, we need to devein the shrimp. The vein is like a thread that runs along the backside of the shrimp, and it's easy to pull out using a toothpick, like this. I usually like to start from the tail side, but if you miss it at the tail, you can try again in the center of the shrimp. But it looks like this one is already clean. Our ingredients today are peeled and deveined shrimp, olive oil, garlic, red pepper flakes, salt, and parsley. I like using Spanish paprika flakes for this, which are more sweet than spicy. As you can see, they're not ground into a powder like most paprika, which keeps them from burning. For the garlic, I like to smash it with the side of a knife. This leaves it in relatively large chunks, which keeps it from burning while allowing the flavor of the garlic to infuse the oil. Once it's smashed, give it a quick chop to break up the big pieces. Okay, let's get cooking. Heat a frying pan over medium heat until hot, and then add the olive oil. Add the garlic, and then saute it until it's very fragrant and starting to brown around the edges. It's important to keep the garlic moving around the pan so that it doesn't burn. Okay, that looks just about right, but before you add the shrimp, be sure to dry it well with paper towels or it's gonna splatter all over the place, and that's never good. Now we're gonna spread the shrimp out into a single layer so that it cooks evenly, and then we're gonna let it fry for a bit undisturbed. Once the shrimp is cooked about halfway through, add a pinch of salt, and then sprinkle on the red pepper flakes. Then just use some tongs to flip the shrimp over. Now we just have to give the shrimp a quick stir fry. Be careful not to overcook the shrimp because it's going to continue cooking a little bit after you take it off the stove. Hit it with some chopped parsley and you're done. I like serving Gambas al Ajillo in a terracotta cazuela de barro, which helps keep the shrimp warm, but any wide flat bowl or deep dish will work. You want something that's going to give you access to that delicious oil underneath. Look how plump and juicy that is, and the aroma of the briny shrimp with the pungent garlic is just irresistible. Be sure to serve this with plenty of crusty bread to sop up all that delicious garlic shrimp infused olive oil. Hit the link in the description for the full recipe, and if you enjoyed this video, leave us a like and be sure to subscribe for more delicious everyday meals.